हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग। आज हम आप सभी को चैप्टर 9 द रैंसम ऑफ रेड चीफ के इस सेशन का क्वेश्चन और आंसर के बारे में बताएंगे। इस चैप्टर का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई डिड बिल एंड सैम हैच ए प्लान ऑफ किडनैपिंग ए चाइल्ड। इसका आंसर हम लोग लिखेंगे, बिल एंड सैम वेयर इन नीड ऑफ $2,000 to start off OWF of their fake land ownership scheme in Illinois, Illinois, Illinois. In order to do so, they hatched a foolproof plan of kidnapping a child and demanding the amount as ransom. Second question है, why did they zero down on Sumit? इसका आंसर लिखेंगे, they zeroed down on Sumit because the villagers there were self-content, harmless and simple people. Another reason for choosing this village was that Bill and Sam believed that the peasant in villages love their children more than those in the cities, who are more practical. Sumit also did not have a good police force. They were only a few constables and a few lazy bloodhounds. The newspaper 2TW2 came there only once a week, so Sumit would not know of any crime being committed, COMMITTED, committed till after a week, and that would be enough for Will and Sam to collect the ransom and escape safely back to Illinois, Illinois, Illinois. तीसरा क्वेश्चन है, who was Johnny Dorset? Why was he the target of the kidnappers? इसका आंसर लिखेंगे, जॉनी डॉर्सेट was the only son of a rich and respectable man of the village called Avenger Dorset. The kidnappers were sure that the rich father would pay the ransom of $2,000. अगला क्वेश्चन है, हाउ वाज बिल एंड सैम फर्स्ट मीटिंग विद जॉनी डॉर्सेट? इसका आंसर लिखेंगे, देयर फर्स्ट मीटिंग विद जॉनी डॉर्सेट was quite eventful. One evening after sunset, the boy was all alone on the lonely street throwing stones at a kitten. Bill called out, "Hey boy, would you like some candies and a nice ride?" In reply, a big stone came hurtling towards Bill and hit him on his eyes. This bill cost the father extra $500, saying this Bill and Sam caught the boy who did put up a good fight and put him in the buggy, BUGGY buggy, and drove away. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाई डिडंट जॉनी वांट टू गो बैक होम। इसका आंसर लिखेंगे द बॉय ओब्लिवियस OBLIVIOUS oblivious to the fact that he had been kidnapped was thrilled and stuck feathers in his hair and pretended to be a Red Indian, calling himself Red Chief, the terror of the plains. He even named his captors CAPTORS captors. Bill was Old Hank, while Sam was nicknamed Snake Eye. Johnny Dorjet enjoyed his stay as a captive. He did not want to go back to the regular routine at home and school. He was loving this camping adventure. अगला क्वेश्चन है What was the initial ransom amount? Why was it reduced? इसका आंसर लिखेंगे हम लोग। इसका आंसर होगा द इनिशियल ransom amount was $2,000. After much deliberation, deliberation and debate, the amount was reduced reduced to $1,500 because they were not sure if anyone would pay such a huge amount for this devilish child. अगला क्वेश्चन है हाउ डिड विल एंड सेम कन्विंस जॉनी टू गो बैक होम। इसका आंसर होगा द बॉय एग्रीड टू रिटर्न होम ऑन द प्रीटेक्स्ट pretext that Mr. Dorjet had bought a rifle and a pair of moccasins 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 for him, and that the next day they would be going hunting. Last question है Why did Will run as fast as he had never done before? इसका आंसर लिखेंगे Bill ran as fast as he had never done before because he wanted to get as far away from Johnny Dorjet as possible, especially because he had been constantly under attack. Thank you.